Hi, this is a short video on how to program the Wireless XL Siren to the wireless receiver. First thing we do is to take the Siren out of the packaging, but before you throw the packaging away, please ensure that you find the aerial and the manual. They're normally tucked away inside the packaging carton. We then need to flick the cap off the Siren where it says pull. That just flicks off, and inside we can see an on-off switch, we can see a learn button, we can see a hole for the aerial and a hole for the jack plug. We're going to power the Siren with the jack plug transformer that's been supplied. That's a safe 12 volt DC, so you can extend the cable with a bit of bell cable if you need to. So we're going to plug that in, and shortly we're going to be pressing the learn button on the Siren, and we're going to be pressing the mute button on the receiver. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm now going to hold the learn button on the Siren, and I'm going to be holding the mute button on the receiver. After about 20 seconds you hear a double bleep. That's telling you that the learning process is complete. Just to check you've done it right, if you now press the mute button on the receiver for about 20 seconds, we will hear an audible beep. At the same time, the on light on the Siren will flash. That's confirming everything's working well. After 30 seconds, that light will go back to steady. Next thing we need to do is to mount the Siren. At the back of the Siren there's some wall mounts that just need turning round, and the Siren can be mounted inside, outside. It's fully weatherproof, and it can be used under the eaves, on a wall, or some people leave it inside in a garage. The aerial that comes with the Siren plugs into a hole to the right hand side of the learn button, and in normal use the Siren would be sitting in that position. Some people do hide the Siren away in a standard traditional bell box. One word of advice: when you test the alarm and you trigger the Siren, leave the Siren to work for 30 seconds before turning off, otherwise it may not get the signal. That's now all programmed.